Hi there, it's Randy. I've received a parcel today. Let's see what's inside. It's been delivered by Every. Seems to be quite a full parcel, homemade. And what's inside? So I see 2 maroon coaches. Here is a steam locomotive at 460 with a, but looks of it, motorized tender, and 2 custom-made long maroon coaches and 2 goods wagons which seem to be falling apart. There's also a roof for one of the long coaches. Let's look at it a little bit in more detail. This one is a maroon Triang R120 brake van, and this one is another one of these. This one too seems to be in a very good condition. 2 nice examples of late Triang coaches. Let's look at the locomotive now. To me this looks like a Airfix, and yes, it is an Airfix made in Hong Kong. This locomotive is tender driven and seems a bit dirty, but the dirt comes off easily. Looks like someone has spilled coffee or tea with a lot of milk and sugar in it. I will not investigate this any further. As you can tell, the coupling between the tender and the locomotive is defective. I now want to find out whether this locomotive, or the engine at least, is working, and then see how much I need to do in order to fix it. This sounds very promising. Pickups clearly in the non-motorized body of the locomotive. Overall, this is a very nice locomotive. Apart from the dirt and the missing buffers at the back, it's nicely weathered and some additional details have been added. The 45584 is a tube class steam locomotive. These locomotives with 1 chimney were introduced in 1934 and later rebuilt, but the later versions of this tube class will then have had 2 chimneys and not just 1 chimney. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I did, and thanks for watching.